So, got water on it. Taking it apart, but this book does not show a picture of the distributor. So we got a screw here. Okay. It's dirty. So the next step is to secure this like in a vise, and then tap here. You can separate this from this. So this is what we've got, which I'm not sure if it's a rivet. I'm going to go put this in a vise and tap on it. Be back, I'll let you know. So what I had to do, this took well over an hour because I had to figure it out. You have to grind off both ends of the rivets, then you have to drill it out. And you have to start off with something real small, like a 16th. And then I just worked myself up, 1/8, up to an 1/8, then a 9/64. With a 9/64, I can't show you, let's see, I got that hole, okay? Now it's not easy to drill a straight hole. So I got that with 9/64, and now I'm using a bigger drill because I don't have a drift at the same diameter, and I'm just tapping it through, so you have to carefully grind it off. So then tap that brass piece on your tack drive. That will remove this plug, and then you can remove this gear. So I painted these 3 surfaces so I could keep everything the same just in case it matters. I'm going to withdraw this shaft, but I already know that it's snug here, so I'm going to have to sand on this, and then I can draw it out. It appears to be an oil groove in the shaft, so I'm going to use that as the reference, and then I don't have to worry about the color thing. So we got this all cleaned up. It's surface rust, but goodness. And that is an oil groove. So these are it's kind of a bronze, probably oil-like bushing. And we just clean all this up, and I'll show you my method of putting it together. Not too complicated. That felt, that triangle, that's inside that distributor there. So now we both go. Oh, it cleaned up so nicely. I'm going to just use it. It's got to be good for another 60 years. Spray some snake oil on it. Here's my snake oil. This is good stuff. If you're looking for a new snake oil, try it. J. Moore's 191S. I think it's made out of Fresno. Good stuff. So there's your number. I can't find my black paint, so I can't finish this. So we're going to pretend it is done. We've got everything clean. We've greased things up. We insert this here in. Okay. Then we've got our washer, which I'm going to replace. Make sure we got all our washers in. Get that down in there. Put the shaft in first, then the gear. Okay. This is 2 plates riveted, and there's that felt material in between. So I cleaned it out with some brake clean. I'm just going to let it dry. We install it. It has 2 screws, all right, on the side of the distributor. Put that puppy in there. Note any spacers down here. You've got a spacer here. I'm going to try and find one. A rubber O-ring, right? That's some kind of, well, it looks like some kind of, I'll call plastic. It may have been a real flexible O-ring at once, but it's not now. For that pin, I'm going to measure it and just get a regular clevis pin like I use on my Chevy oil pump, which said Chevy produced over 520 horsepower. I don't know why they did that. They don't do anything else right, and that was way overdone. So I'm going to replace it with a clevis pin. So are you. And if you're worried, use something like a Loctite 3 retainer. Stuff's very strong, takes up space, fills gaps.